Hello and welcome to BEEiLab, your go-to channel for Python and geospatial science. Today, we're delving into the fundamental world of Python variables. So, without further ado, let's dive into the intriguing realm of Python variables. Unlike many other programming languages, creating a variable in Python is as simple as assigning it a value using a single equals sign. Now, let's put this concept into action. As you run these lines of code, observe how Z captures the value 1 and name takes on the identity of BEEiLab. This flexibility is a hallmark of Python's approach to handling variables. The Python print function is a fundamental tool for displaying a variable. When it comes to outputting variables, it's your go-to choice. Here's a simple example. In this case, the value of the variable x, which is GIS, is printed to the console. Also, this function can display multiple variables in a single line. Take a look at this example. This will output the values of x, y, and z separated by spaces. It's a concise way to display multiple pieces of information in one go. Unlike statically typed languages that require declaring variable types explicitly, Python allows more flexibility. Let me break it down for you. Python dynamically adapts the variable type. Initially, x is an integer that smoothly transforms into a string. This dynamic nature enhances adaptability but demands attention to ensure the variable is used appropriately throughout your code. In Python, you have the flexibility to assign values to multiple variables in a single line, streamlining your code. Take a look at this example. Here, the values 1, 2, and 3 are assigned to variables x, y, and z respectively. The print function then displays each variable's value on a new line. Additionally, Python introduces a captivating feature called chained assignment. This allows you to assign the same value to multiple variables in a single line. Let's explore this with an example. In this concise syntax, Python effortlessly assigns the value 20 to variables x, y, and z simultaneously. It's a convenient way to initialize multiple variables with the same value in one go. In Python, you can easily convert variables from one type to another. Let's see some examples. In this code, we first converted the integer 3 to a string. Then, we used the int function to convert the string 3 to an integer, and finally, we converted the integer 3 to a float number. These conversions allow you to adapt variable types based on your program's requirements. Now, let's dive into the challenge and see how well you can handle Python's type conversion. Your challenge is to convert y to an integer, z to a float, and x to a string. After the conversion, print the types of all three variables. Pause the video here, attempt the challenge, and share your solution in the comments below. Python provides the type function to determine the type of a variable. Let's see how it works. Using type allows you to inspect the data type of a variable at runtime, adding to the flexibility and dynamism of Python variables. In Python, you can use either single or double quotation marks to define strings. The following examples demonstrate the equivalent use of both. Choosing appropriate variable names is crucial for writing clean and understandable code in Python. Here are some rules to keep in mind. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. It cannot start with a number. It can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Variable names are case sensitive. A variable name cannot be any of the Python keywords. Here are examples of valid variable names. Also, avoid using illegal variable names. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future tutorials. For code examples, check out our GitHub page. If you have any questions or need further support, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember, stay curious and we'll see you in the next video.